Bluey and Bingo were splashing by the river when suddenly Bluey slipped. Splash! She disappeared under the water. Bingo screamed, "Bluey, where are you?" The water bubbled and shook. Dad yelled, "Girls, hold on." Mom shouted, "Quick, we must help her." What a hook right now. Bingo dived in without thinking. The river was deeper than it looked. She saw Bluey sinking slowly, her paw reaching up. Bingo cried, "Bluey, grab my paw." Bluey's eyes went wide, bubbles flying everywhere. Dad jumped in with his broom like a paddle. Mom held out a rope from the shore. Tension rising. Would they reach her in time? Suddenly a shadow moved beneath them. A giant glowing fish swam up like magic. Bluey landed on its back, gasping for air. Bingo squealed, "You are safe." But wait! The fish spoke with a booming voice, "You are not safe yet. This river is cursed." What a twist right here! Bluey shivered. "Cursed?" The fish nodded, "Only the bravest can escape the whirlpool ahead." Suddenly the water spun faster and faster. A whirlpool opened like a black hole. Dad shouted, "Hold tight, girls." Mom cried, "The rope is slipping." The fish said, "Play the note of courage or be lost forever." What note? Bingo looked around and saw a shell glowing on the riverbank. She grabbed it and blew hard. The sound echoed like thunder. The whirlpool froze in place. The water turned calm and shiny like glass. Bluey hugged Bingo tight. "You saved us." The fish bowed, "You have broken the curse, brave pups." Then poof, it vanished, leaving a single shimmering scale. Dad gasped, "That scale shines like the stars." Mom smiled, "Maybe it is a key to the ocean." Bluey held it high and shouted, "Should we follow its secret power next time?" Bingo squealed, "Yes, let's do it." Do you want to see what happens when Bluey unlocks the ocean's secret door? Smash like and hit subscribe or you will miss the wildest adventure under the waves.